Welcome back. NIRI may take nearly a year to complete its report on Goa mining. Terms of references of NIRI's study are yet to be drawn up. They will submit their report to the state government with cost, and study will begin after government approval. NIRI has planned remote sensing and field service of the mining areas. Meanwhile, Goa mining matter has been listed on Monday before Supreme Court.
NIRI's team is in Goa. The team has met the Mines Department officials, Pollution Control Board and Water Resource Department in past 3 days. NIRI met the petitioner Cloud Alvarez on Saturday and discussed the mining-related issues. Cloud informed that NIRI has not drawn up its terms of references for study. Cloud says NIRI has planned to do remote sensing and ground routines of the mining areas. It will take at least 1 year to complete its report.
They have to still get the project approved by the Goa government. The approval will come only after the cost is submitted. Cost is not yet submitted. No? So that will take some time, and I do not foresee the work that they are doing, whatever they have described to me, will be completed within a few months. It will take nothing less than 1 year. Nothing less than 1 year.
So NIRI,
I don't think they can give any preliminary report or any of the kind, because it won't make much sense. They will have to do a lot of work on that. No, they have to. That cannot be done just like that. And if you do a bad report, then it will not be of any use to anybody, and it will only get maybe a bad reputation. So they will have to do a good job. But the type of study with remote sensing that they plan to do, including ground truthing, that is going and verifying on the ground, it will take at least a year, not less than that.
Cloud also claimed that NIRI report will have no effect on resumption of mining in the state. NIRI has been appointed by the state government and it has no connection with the Supreme Court decision.
It is not a committee of the Supreme Court, and whether they produce any report by 15th of February and what they will produce, nobody. Because it is too soon to say. But it should not be linked. Opening of mines should not be linked. Opening of mines is linked only to the judgment of the Supreme Court, which will come only when the reports of these two committees are produced before the Supreme Court.
Meanwhile, Goa mining matter has been listed before the Green Bench of Supreme Court for hearing on Monday. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
AAP will go across the country from 10th to 26th to encourage people to join them. The campaign of the Broom Brigade will be called Main Bhi Aam Aadmi Abhiyan. North Goa office of the Aam Aadmi Party was inaugurated in Panji on Sunday. South Goa office of AAP was inaugurated in Ghogar, Madgaon on Sunday evening. Both the premises have been donated to the party on a nominal 1 rupee rent.
The North and South Goa offices of Aam Aadmi Party were inaugurated on Sunday. First day of working witnessed many people joining the AAP movement. Valmiki Naik informed more about the campaign.
We've inaugurated our first Goa State office of the Aam Aadmi Party, which is your party. We don't have any leaders, we don't have any high command, we don't have big bags of black money, but we have a determination and a spirit to change the way we've been dragged across the floor for the last 60 years. And we start from today. So please give yourselves a big hand.
अपने आप लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं, तो एक तो वॉलंटियरिज्म को राजनीति में वापस लाया गया. दूसरा एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम घटा राजनीति में, वो ये हुआ कि हमने एक साधारण आदमी को चुनाव लड़ने के लिए प्रवृत्त किया. सफेद जो गोरे अंग्रेज थे वो चले गए और वो काले अंग्रेज बन के इस सत्ता को हथिया के बैठ गए. और सत्ता का उपयोग उन्होंने क्या किया? अपने परिवार, अपने पहचान वाले और कुछ ऐसे कॉर्पोरेट जिसकी वजह से उनको कुछ फायदा हो.
But remember that at the end of the day, as human beings, गोइंकार कश है, भारतवासी जैसे हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We have to be passionate about this cause, not angry. We have to be just about this cause, not vindictive. And we have to be first and foremost true to ourselves. If we do that, this is a piece of cake.
Firmly believe with my whole heart and soul, I've put my money where my mouth is,
All of us are putting our time where our mouths are. More than the value of these premises are the hours, days, weeks, months, and years of work of giving up their own selves. People like Baba, people like Miki, people like Sandesh have been doing it for years.
AAP will be going across the country and run the Main Bhi Aam Aadmi campaign from 10th to 26th January.
आम आदमी पार्टी बड़े पैमाने पर देश के ज़्यादातर राज्यों में एक बड़ी मात्रा पर में सीटें लड़ेगी। सीटों की संख्या अभी तय नहीं की गई है, केवल इसके गाइडलाइंस बनाए गए हैं। 10 तारीख से लेके 26 जनवरी तक पार्टी पूरे देश में मैं भी आम आदमी अभियान चलाएगी, जिसमें हम लाखों लाख लोगों से उम्मीद करेंगे कि वो आएं। और
Meanwhile, in an interview to media in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal reassured the fact that AAP government will probe the Delhi CWG scam of the Congress regime.
2010 14 नवंबर को वो 370 पेज की रिपोर्ट मैंने ही बनाई थी। वो किसी व्यक्ति विशेष के खिलाफ नहीं थी, उनको याद दिला दूं। वो कॉमनवेल्थ में हुए घोटालों की सबूत थे, उनकी सबकी जांच करेंगे हम।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट प्रूडेंट।
Bharatiya Janata Party has begun its campaign for Narendra Modi's Vijay Sankalp rally. Goa desk in charge Smriti Irani launched online registration portal on Sunday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was found busy in door-to-door campaign at Rabandra on Sunday. Modi will address Vijay Sankalp mega rally on 12 January at Mershe.
BJP has pulled up its sleeves to make Modi's mega rally on 12th a record-breaking one. Goa desk in charge Smriti Irani launched party's online registration portal on Sunday. Smriti Irani said Modi's Vijay Sankalp rally in Goa will be a historic one.
वो ऐतिहासिक जगह बन चुकी है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए, जहां पर नरेंद्र भाई को 2014 के लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए प्रधानमंत्री के कैंडिडेट के रूप में हमने देश में प्रस्तुत किया। गोवा के इस विजय संकल्प रैली के माध्यम से गोवा की जनता विजय श्री का तिलक नरेंद्र भाई के माथे पर लगाएगी 12 जनवरी को, जो अपने आप में एक और ऐतिहासिक दिन है, क्योंकि उस दिन हम स्वामी विवेकानंद जी को याद करते हैं। इसलिए एक कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते मुझे बहुत ही गर्व है कि जिस दिन पूरा देश विश्व भर स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की जयंती मना रहा होगा, उस दिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी के 2 प्रमुख राष्ट्रीय नेता, हमारे 2014 के लोकसभा के प्रधानमंत्री के उम्मीदवार और गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर, इन दोनों नेताओं ने अपनी सादगी से, अपने परिश्रम से और गुड गवर्नेंस के माध्यम से जो देश में इतिहास रचा, उसी इतिहास का एक पन्ना 12 जनवरी को गोवा में लिखा जाएगा।
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was found busy moving door to door on Sunday inviting people for Vijay Sankalp rally at Rabandra. Parrikar said target is to reach out to 3 lakh Goans.
एक म्हणजे लोकांचा अत्यंत जबरदस्त पॉझिटिव्ह त्या गोष्टीला समर्थन आहे आणि मला खात्री आहे की आता मी जवळजवळ 200 घरात 150-200 घरात फिरलो। मी जवळजवळ प्रत्येक घरातनं बहुतेक मंडळी सभेला येतील। इकडनं तर जवळ आहे त्यामुळे मोठा प्रश्न नाही, पण लोकांमध्ये उत्साह प्रचंड आहे। आम्ही ऑलरेडी सगळ्यापर्यंत पोहोचलेलो आहे। गावागावातनं लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचण्याचा कार्यक्रम हातात घेतलेला आहे। मला वाटतं येणाऱ्या बुधवार गुरुवारपर्यंत जवळजवळ सगळ्या फॅमिलीजपर्यंत मिनिमम एक 2-3 लाख फॅमिलीजपर्यंत मेसेज डायरेक्ट घरी घरी जाईल। जे मिनिमम टार्गेट ठरवलेलं आहे ते लाखाचं, ते सहजपणे ओलांडून 1.5-2 लाखपर्यंत संख्या जाईल।
Video journalist Chetan Gawas and Kishore Naik for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.